Hello WordPress community! We're excited to introduce Woocommerce Product Video Importer, the fastest and easiest way to add engaging product videos to your Woocommerce store. Studies show that product pages with videos can increase conversions by up to 80%. But here's the thing, adding videos to hundreds of products manually? That's a nightmare no store owner wants to face. First things first, you'll need to install the Woocommerce Product Video Importer plugin. Head over to Plugins, add new and upload plugin zip file, install and activate it. Once activated, you'll notice a new menu item under Woocommerce called Product Video Importer. That's our command center for this operation. Before we create our CSV file, let's look at what makes this plugin special. It supports both YouTube and Vimeo videos, allows multiple videos per product, and integrates seamlessly with your existing Woocommerce gallery. Now, here's where many people get stuck, creating the proper CSV format. But don't worry, I'll break it down step by step. Open your favorite spreadsheet program, Excel, Google Sheets, whatever you prefer. You'll need to create a file with just two essential columns. The first column should be labeled either product_ID or product_SKU, depending on how you want to identify your products. The second column must be labeled video_URLs. This is where you'll place your video links. For each product, enter either the product ID or SKU in the first column, and then the video URLs in the second column. Here's the critical part that most tutorials miss. If you want to add multiple videos to a single product, separate them with commas, like this. One more thing, save your file as CSV format. This is important because the importer only works with CSV files. Now comes the exciting part, importing your videos. Go to Woocommerce Product Video Importer in your WordPress dashboard. You'll see a simple form with a file upload field. Click Choose File and select your CSV file. If you used a different delimiter in your CSV, like semicolons instead of commas, make sure to select the right option from the drop-down menu. Once you're ready, click the Import button and watch the magic happen. The plugin will process your file, match each row to the corresponding product, and add the videos to the right product galleries. The plugin automatically creates video thumbnails that look just like your product images, creating a cohesive gallery experience. And since videos are embedded directly in the gallery, they load only when clicked, which means your page speed isn't affected. We recommend having 1. A short overview video, 30 to 60 seconds, 2. A detailed features demonstration, 3. And if relevant, a how-to or tutorial video. This strategy has consistently produced the best results for my clients. So there you have it, a complete guide to importing product videos on Woocommerce using CSV. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button.